Okay, let's go, my love. PetSmart. And then Dollarama there.
Dollarama.
Andito kami sa Richmond, mga kalalabs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog. So, bibili kami ng pagkain ni Ube at saka yung ano niya, yung pangalan na ilalagay dun sa dumihan niya. So, this is PetSmart. And bibili din... Oh my God, you scared me. And then, bibili din pala kami ng nail cutter para kay Ube kasi humahaba na yung kuko niya. So, kailangan na siyang putulan. So, let's see kung ano makikita natin dito sa PetSmart. Hello! How are you? You look like Ube. Right? Oh my God! Meron pala silang mga dito, pusa din. Are they like Beb?
I don't know, but that whole time we were looking for a cat. I guess we could have came here too.
Yeah, look at that. Look like Ube. Hello! Okay, let's go find the snack for Ube. Hello! Hello! Oh, she's following you. Oh my God,
Ube
Beb.
would not like the cat dog.
Yeah. Meron din pala silang mga ibon dito. Oh. Wow, they're so pretty. I wanna get birds.
Can we get a bird?
Oh, it's so
Cool.
cute. Look at that. So pretty. There's color orange, yellow. Oh my God. And here? Why do they have it here? Oh, it's big, yeah?
Want to go to a loving home? We can get little
Aw,
birds.
so cute.
The cat would love them.
And isda din. Meron silang mga isda, oh. So, ito yung mga prices nila, oh. $5.99 is, buy 4, get the 5 free.
Oh, look, look, look.
Fifth
look,
free
look,
pala.
Watch,
Oh.
watch, they're fighting.
Ooh!
Let's watch. Good. They're gonna fight. Watch, watch.
No, they're not.
Watch, they're fighting.
Why? So cute. Ayan, tingin-tingin lang kami ni Papa Dib dito. Ang lilit naman ng mga isda na to, oh. Ang lilit. Di nyo siya makita masyado. Ito din yung gusto ko sa bahay, yung mayroong isda. But this is one of my thing
Dream.
also, dreams. To have, yeah, the small one. Yeah, small one. Then you put the,
Tilapia.
tilapia. Bangus. Bangus. Ang liliit to. Ang liliit nila. Oh, hello. What is that?
Put your finger in it.
What is it? Oh no, babe, don't. May snap. What is? No.
You gotta throw
No.
it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello.
You can eat them.
No.
In Thailand, we eat them.
Thailand, we eat them. Okay, let's find something for... Mamaya, mahilo na naman kayo. Oh my God, what is that? Caterpillar?
We can eat those too.
Oh my God. Tapos ito pa, oh. Oh my G. Tumindig ang balahibo ko.
Boy.
Hanap tayo ng pagkain ni Ube. Kailangan parang similar yung pinapakain sa kanya. You got it? Okay. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, Mrs. Friskies.
Which one?
Oh, look.
No, I don't wanna.
On top of it, though. It's a picture of a cute cat.
Ayaw kong palitan yung pagkain niya eh. Kasi pag pinalitan daw, magkakaroon ng parang adjustment na naman sa niya, tiyan niya. Where is the one that I feed her? This one, fancy. She like this one.
Really?
Yeah, the fancy. Yeah. I have that one, but I need the Hills one. Where's the Hills?
Dry it and then you mix it with the fancy.
No,
treat,
not the
right?
Hills. The
Okay,
other
let's
one.
see. This actually be good for us. It's cheaper, right?
It's good for you. Hanap kami ng Okay, I'll get this one.
I eat this.
She like this one, babe, because pinapakain ko sa kanya to eh. Kasi maganda daw to sa pusa. So, meron siyang different, para sa kitten pala to, yung adult yung kailangan natin. Let's find something for Ube, yung pang adult. So, nakabili na kami ng para kay Ube. Next, we are going to the bank or you wanna go to the grocery?
Let's look.
You wanna go to that grocery?
Let's go look.
Okay, let's look
And,
down.
we go to the bank. We get coffee.
Okay. Wow, and the price is like $3.49, cheaper. It's so
That is
big.
cheap,
Grabe, ang laki naman yan. Laki, oh. First time namin dito sa shop na to. Kaya tingin-tingin lang tayo. So, wala kami nabili dyan, mga kalalabs. Para lang siyang TNT. So, ngayon, hanap kami ng kakainan namin ni Papa Dib. Gusto niya ng sushi. So, did you find it?
Yeah, maybe
Huh?
one.
You found one?
Someone wrote in a review of the best sushi I've tried. So you know what?
Let's go!
Must be good.
Okay, 11 minutes away. Is it 11 minutes?
Yeah, I'm just trying to think. So
Kain muna kami. Tapos, after kaming kumain, punta tayo ng... I think after we eat, we are going to the bank. And then after that, Costco. Grocery. So, nagbabalik ang Kalalabs family, ang ating routine. Grocery lang pag may time.
who's
Diba?
Baba?
Baba.
Baba Leak.
Babalik. Tayo ay nagbabalik, my love.
Who is Baba Leak?
We are. We're back. It's been a long time. Mainit pa rin
Whoa,
ngayon.
look at that girl's hair.
Oh yeah, that's
You should do that.
cool. Wow, Nicole like to do that though.
I know I want her to do that, but Mama won't let us.
You guys.
We're crazy.
You guys crazy. Bye bye PetSmart. Thank you for the cheaper cat food.
Whoa.
Nag-order na kami ng food namin. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Sobrang dami pala. So, meron tayong beef dito. Meron tayong sushi, California roll, sashimi, tempura, and then, di ko alam ko, cold soup to, oh, cold soup. Ayan, kain po. Love. Look like for 2 people.
It looks like a lot of food.
Yeah. Pero ang maliliit lang na portion. Ang ganda ng setup ng ng ano nila, oh. Ng food nila, 'di ba? Sarap. Is it good? Masarap siya. Paborito. Ayan, kain po. Tapos na kaming kumain, mga kalalabs. Visit nyo to, oh. Miyumi Sushi. Dito sa Richmond. Actually, they have really good food.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, and then the portion is really good as well, right? It's not too big. It's like, ano lang siya. It's not too big. It's water. Hindi siya malaki. Ano lang siya, sakto. May take out kami para kay Nicole. Sushi at saka tempura. Pero kumain na daw siya. Sabi ko, meron akong dadalhin pa rin. Ayan, 'di ba? Para meron siyang meron siyang kainin na extra. Nasa bahay siya, ayun yung sumama eh. Yes! We're going to the bank now. So, pumunta na si Papa Dib sa bangko. Naiwan na lang ako dito sa sa car. Kasi mag-aano lang naman siya. Meron lang siyang i-deposit. And then, hindi ko alam kung pupunta pa ba tayo ng Costco. So, let's see kung ano mangyayari. So, it's already 1:57. At hindi ako masyado nakapag-intro, no? Kamusta kayong lahat, mga kalalabs? Happy Saturday. And today is, I think, August 20. Tayo lang, di ko na alam yung date. August 26, ayan. So, ayun nga, hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog. It's been more than 2 weeks yata na hindi ako nag-vlog. So, pasensya na po kayo, no. And I know there's a lot of people asking bakit wala tayong vlog. Ito po yung dahilan, no. Marami po akong iniisip na mga problema lately. So, ayoko naman na nagbablog ako na lagi na lang, lutang yung isip ko. So, I decided na mag-stop muna. So, wag na kayo magtanong kung ano yung mga problema kasi hindi ko rin naman siya i-share. Means to say, it's about privacy, family problems, privacy, yung mga ganyan, diba? So, ayaw mo naman na, pagpiestahan ng ibang tao yung problema ng yung problema ng buhay mo, 'di ba? It's better na malaman nyo na okay lang kami, okay ako, okay si Papa Dib, okay si Nicole, okay ang lahat. Ayan, 'di ba? So it's better na lang tayo dito. Happy lang, GGB lang, 'di ba? Kahit na minsan mapapansin niyo naman na medyo off yung vlog, so pagpasensyahan nyo na. Kasi gano'n naman talaga ang buhay. Marami din tayong iniisip. Marami din akong iniisip, mga kalalabs, no? So, I know na marami sa inyong sabi, hindi naman halata na may problema ka, ganito, ganyan. Marami po akong problema. Pero, syempre, diba, yung mga problema natin na, mga bagay-bagay na basta, ayun, kailangan magtira din tayo ng konting privacy sa ating buhay. Hindi ibig sabihin na open book tayo sa social media is i-share na natin lahat ng mga problema natin. Kasi alam niyo naman, sa social media, there's a lot of people will judge you. There's a lot of people na magiging concerned sa inyo. May mga tao din naman na pagpipiestahan lang yung mga problema natin, di ba? So, kailangan kahit open book yung buhay natin is magtira din tayo para sa ating sarili. And that is yun yung ginawa ko, 'di ba? So, ayun. Okay lang kami mga kalalabs. And I am super happy kasi marami sa inyo ang nagbe-message sa akin na pinapabalik nyo ako mag-vlog and nagtataka. Kasi it's been a while talaga. Ito na yata yung pinakamatagal na hindi ako nag-vlog, 'di ba? Alam niyo 'yan. And alam niyo din na kung kayo yung subscriber ko, kayo yung talaga nanonood ng vlog ko, pag huminto talaga ako mag-vlog, alam niyo na kailangan kong mag-break. Hindi dahil sometimes may problema ako. Meron din yung time na pagod yung utak ko, pagod yung basta yung kaluluwa ko, ganun. Kailangan nating bigyan pansin yan. Hindi lang puros tayo like, sige vlog, sige ganito, ganyan. Gawin mo lang, i-push mo lang, 'di ba? So, kailangan natin ng pahinga din. So, ayun. Marami pa ako ikikwento sa inyo about sa mga things na hindi ako nag-vlog. Si Papa Dave pala, kababalik niya lang galing sa 1 week trip niya. So, meron siyang pinuntahan sa Dubai, and then London, and Abu Dhabi. Ayun. So, kababalik niya lang kahapon actually. And then, ano pa ba? Update kay Ube. Sa mga nagsisend ng kanilang mga pusa sa comment section sa Facebook page. Ayan, sobrang cute ng mga pusa nyo, no? And sobrang si Ube, siya din yung talagang sobrang grateful ako na nagkaroon kami. Kasi si Ube, iba yung niya, iba yung binibigay niyang happiness, 'di ba? Kung kayo yung may alagang hayop, meron kayong pusa, may aso, iba yung company, iba yung pakiramdam na meron kayong alagang mga hayop. Sobra. Kaya, hindi na ako magtataka na si Edenil talagang love na love niya yung mga pusa niya. Kasi, 'di ba syempre, pag may mga problema kayo, tapos nakita niyo yung mga hayop niyo or yung mga pusa niyo, aso niyo, mapapasaya nila kayo eh. Ganun si Ube sa akin. Kasi talagang iba yung niya. Iba yung happiness na binibigay niya sa akin, especially pag gising ko sa umaga, yung parang kahit hindi siya nagsasalita, alam mo yun, parang siya nag-hi, naghihintay na siya sa akin, na-greet niya ako, parang ganun. So, sobrang sa umaga talaga natutuwa talaga ako sa kanya. So, naka-adjust na rin po si Ube. And I am happy kasi ngayon lumalapit na siya sa amin. Hindi yung sobrang lapit na lapit, pero nagpapabuhat na siya, nagpapakamot na siya, mga ganun. So, sobrang happy ako kasi meron kami si Ube. So, ayun. Ano pa ba yung maikikwento ko sa inyo? Ano ba yung mga ginawa ko? Wala akong masyadong nabisi-busy lang si Mami Faye. Meron din ako mga ginawa na hindi rin naman ka vlog. And gusto ko i-keep ko lang sa sarili ko. Sabi nga nila, pag may plano ka, sarilinin mo muna yung mga plans mo, 'di ba? So, ayun. Ano pa ba yung i-update ko sa inyo? So, sa next vlog na lang. So, kung mayroon pa kayong question, let me know at the comment section. I'll try my best to answer it. Ayan. So, yung mga nag-aasabi pala na huminto ako sa vlog kasi buntis ako, no, I am not pregnant. And meron akong ginawang Q&A sa aking Instagram. And that time kasi parang ayoko na nakakakita ng question about pregnancy. Ayun, 'di ba? Kasi meron tayong mga ginagawa na hindi siya nagwo-work, and then when it failed, tapos may question kang mababasa na gano'n, sana may baby ka na, sana mabuntis ka na. Okay naman yun eh, pag-pray nyo na mabuntis ako. But then, when people keeping asking why you're not pregnant, ang tumatanda ka na, ganito, ganyan, parang nakaka-offend siya. Parang hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng isang babae na nagtatry magbuntis, tapos hindi nabubuntis. Parang yun, parang para sa akin nararamdaman ko na, parang gusto kong sanayin yung sarili ko na there's a lot of people will ask me that question. Pero at the same time, parang hindi nga nag-work eh. Parang yung question na yun parang very personal siya, 'di ba? Yung parang bakit di ka pa nabubuntis? Meron pa nga yung nag-comment before na sabi, "Ba, di ka pa nabubuntis, mamaya maghanap ng iba yung asawa mo." Parang gano'n. Para kayong ewan, no? May mga taong ganyan talaga mag-isip, no? Napaka-negative, 'di ba? But anyway, nasa social media tayo, may mga tao talaga sanayan lang talaga. But then at the same time, before you comment, before you comment yung sasabihin nyo, isipin nyo, may pinagdadaanan ba tong taong to? Okay ba to na itanong? Parang ganun. So, gusto ko rin mag-sorry dun sa nag-question no, na kamusta na yung yung baby, ganito, ganyan. Akala ko yung pusa ko yung kini-question niya. Yung pala, akala ko si Ube. Sabi niya, I know, it's not that. Yung ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, this is the last time na tanongin niyo ulit ako ng ganyang question. Kasi sometimes, people will not gonna understand you eh. Kasi hindi ko alam. Basta, yung question na yun parang natitrigger ako minsan. So, pasensya na po, no? So, ayun. Yan lang yung ating konting life update sa ating buhay-buhay. Okay? So, hintayin ko lang si Papa Dave. Ipahinga ko lang yung dito ko sa likod ko. Dito sa car. And then, mamaya, na tayo ng Costco. Magko-Costco tayo para makabili ako ng mga needs ko sa bahay. Kasi matagal akong hindi nag-grocery din sa Costco. So, kailangan ko ng garbage bag, basta mga konting grocery galing sa Costco. Meat, mga ganun, chicken, ganun. So, ayun. May Tim Hortons pala dito sa likod ko. Ayan siya. Parang gusto kong bumili ng kape. Pampagising ba? Kasi, nagkape ako kanina, pero isang lang naman yan. Isang kape lang. So, iniisip ko kung bibili ba ako ng kape or what. Hati kami ni Papa. Lang. Bili tayo ng kape. Hindi ko na kayo isama ha. Dito na kayo. Bahay na kami, mga kalalabs. Di na ako nakapag-vlog sa Costco. Hello! Nicolas! How's the cat? Smells good here, Nicole. I thought you're going out.
No.
Oh, I thought you're going.
Hello.
Kala ko makipag-meet ka sa friend. Where is she? Ube! I got you something, Ube. We got you food. Ube! Oops, come. Come, look, Ube. Come. Come here, look. Come. Let's go. Mama here. O, diba? May pasalubong kami kay Ube. Pinakain mo ba siya, be? I thought you're going out. No? I thought you said you're going out with what his name? Russ? It's, tomorrow. Scratch her head. Chup, 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 chup. My favorite spot siya eh. We got you something there. It's inside the other bag. Ube, here, Ube. Did you eat? You want this one? Yay! Let's get you food. Come here, Ube. Come here, please. Come. Meron doon yung sushi. Come. Here. Did you have a good day with Nicole? Huh? Did you have a good day with Nicole? Do you want this one? Okay, this one. Ito lang yung binili namin kay Ube. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, diba? Let's open that thing. And then you can have this. Pep, can you pass me Caesar, please?
Caesar salad?
Yeah, Caesar. I know, never mind.
Yes or no?
No, it's fine. I opened it already. Ooh. Here. How are you today? Here. Let's see. We're gonna give you something here. Nice. Konti lang. Because you're gonna have dinner later, diba? You like that or no? Kain siya. You like it? Oh, you have more. Look. You're looking at it. It's yours. Oh. Titignan niya yung food niya. What's wrong? Nothing. Why? Why you're staring at like that? There's a sushi in the thing, Nicole. Sa bag. Merong tempura din doon. You can just check it. Yay! Oh, don't move. It's fine, lalab. Just eat. Parang different to be, Parang iba to. Chicken. Tapos ka na? You done? You done? Punta siya dun sa dilata niya. So, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog doon sa Costco.
Wow, dami.
Oo nga, ang dami, di ba? So, hindi na ako nag-vlog doon sa Costco kasi sobrang daming tao. Tapos, ang binili lang namin is chicken breast at saka yung, garbage bag. So, si Papa Dib kasi, sabi niya, I don't wanna go to Costco. It's Saturday, sabi niya. Sabi ko, hindi dito na rin lang tayo. Punta na tayo, sabi ko. Kasi yun lang din naman yung kailangan ko sa Costco. Sabi niya, okay, fine, let's go. So, bumili kami nung Tay lang. Wait lang, ha. Nicole, pag yung ilaw, huwag mong kakalimutan. I told you so many times. Okay. This is the chicken breast. Yan siya. Gagawa ko ng salad. Caesar chicken salad.
Yeah.
Are you doing it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
Come film it, baby.
What?
Are you going to Nicole now? Are we going to do it now?
Yeah.
Meron kaming pa-game kay Nicole.
Come play a game.
Oh, come play here, Bev. Is it there? Here.
No.
Okay, let's go there. So may pa-game kami kay Nicole na pipili siya ng ng something. So sa dalawang 'yon, meron kaming cash na nilagay. So 1, 2 cash, and then kung pinili niya yung isang I don't know, what did you do? Love?
No.
So what we did here is a cup. So you will choose.
Okay, there's 2 cups here. So choose one. Because you want allowance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do
Wait,
you
how
want?
much is in it?
I'm not telling.
We're not gonna tell you how
Might
much.
be like marbles, might be
What's
something.
in it?
Come on, let's go. Which one do you want?
Wait.
Because
No, you choose.
oh, look inside.
Look
What you
inside.
got?
That's
That's
the
one you got.
no. When you choose.
Oh! Woo! Lucky you! Oh, lucky you! That's great.
Why you didn't choose the other one, Nicole? You need to make sure you just play. Oh!
No! 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 No!
No, you can't do that. You can do that. No, we
No,
did.
this is mine.
No, we did.
This is mine.
Beb, you need to do it again. No, that's
This is
bad.
mine.
That's
This is
bad.
$5! You got $5!
Mag-away na silang dalawa. Sabi ko, mama, yan ginawa na ni Papa Dave. Kalooka. Ube got scared. Nagsisigawan kasi. Kasi, nanghihingi siya ng pang-shopping niya sa back to school. Kasi nga, I think 2 weeks pa naman. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung starting ng kanilang, ng school. I think it's September 10.
Yay!
September 10 yata, or something like that. So, Nicole,
Go shopping ako tomorrow.
yeah, so, yeah, that's for your school
No,
shopping.
no, no, we're gonna play a game too with that money.
Ay, meron pa pala kami
We're gonna
second
double
game.
it. No, we're gonna double your money.
Yeah, we're gonna double.
No,
Oh,
no, no.
Nicole, you
So-
just need to make sure,
So
like,
here-
it's a game.
Here's the thing.
Yeah.
I will. How much money is there?
105.
Okay, so you can spend that money on whatever you want. It's yours. Food, A&W, give it away to your friends. I don't care, right? But whatever money you have, when we go shopping this week, if you have 105, I'll give you another 105. But if you have only 50, I will give you another 50. If you got only $5 left, I will give you 5.
So
I will
you
double
didn't
your money, how much you save. How much
Yeah,
you
save.
I will double. If you save it all, I'll give you double. If you save, if you spend 20 because you go out with Ross and you
Yeah.
spend 20, then I'll give you 80. Because
So, it's times 2. So, we will double the example. You save, like, you didn't
Wait,
spend
when
your...
are we going shopping? Like,
So, if you
6
did...
weeks.
We don't... Yeah, this week.
6 to 8 weeks.
Yeah. No.
No.
So, if you spend that all, we're not giving you anything.
Yeah.
But then if you, like, example, you save $80, and that $80 on top of it, we're gonna give you $80 again because you save $80. Okay? So that's the second game. Let's see. So how much you save? If you save some $80, then you're lucky you get $80 again, right?
Yeah.
So, ayun. Anyway, gulo na. Gulo ni Papa rin.
Where did you
Alam
see
niyo
this, by the way?
What?
You got $5 and then
You need to make sure that the game is like, you join the game properly.
you got $5.
Give $5 and then you didn't win, Bev. Si Papa din, natatawa ako kanina nung pinaplano namin siya. Sabi niya kasi, si Papa Dave, pagpipiliin natin kasi meron akong $105, sabi niya. Let's let her choose which cup she will choose. If you choose $5, then she only get $5 and we're not gonna give the $100. Hey, you did na naman, Bev. You don't know how to just do your thing.
Anyway.
Yung sinabi niya, kinain niya din, binigay niya din lahat. Instead of $5 lang yung pinili ni Nicole, binigay niya din lahat. Di makatiis.
Thank you.
Hindi makatiis si Papa din. Kakaloka siya. So, ayun na nga. Ano ba yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina? Nagawa ka ng Caesar salad chicken. So, yun ang ating pa-dinner. Did you have beef, Nicole? The one that we have last night?
No.
No, you didn't eat or anything?
No, I cooked.
What did you make?
Hey.
Eggs and bacon.
Oh, okay. So, meron akong nilutong beef pares mami last night. Hindi pa siya ubos. Pero gusto ko kasi ng sabaw at saka salad ba. Kasi kanina nag-rice na ako. And nakalimutan kong sinabi sa inyo na nung hindi ako nagba-vlog, nag-sign up ako sa sa gym. So, I have a YMCA Robert Lee yung tawag na gym. So, siya, membership siya. So, you will pay $36 every 2 weeks. So, starting ng pagbabayad namin or they will take out right away sa aking bank, $36 every 2 weeks yun. So, sa 2 weeks na yun, you can use a lot of the things that you want at the facilities doon sa gym. And then, meron silang classes. So, before kasi, nag-join ako ng YMCA membership sa gym. You don't need to book your spot para mag-attend sa classes. Pero dahil nga sa pandemic, nag-iba yung kanilang patakaran. So, they have apps that you will check kung ano yung schedule ng gusto mong class. Example, Pilates, mga ganon, or gym like badminton, or swimming pool, mga ganon yung mga workout sa aqua ang tawag doon sa gym na swimming pool. So, meron sila. So, it's really nice. I've been doing it for, I think, itong week na to, 2 beses na ako pumunta kasi meron akong ginawa. Tapos, tomorrow, so, kasi ako join ako or meron akong ina-attendan na classes. So, yung mga favorite classes lang yung gusto ko. Tulad ng steps with strength. So, meron siyang cardio, tapos meron siyang, pa-abs, and then sa braso. So, nai-enjoy ko siya. So, next time, if ever, isama ko kayo. Tomorrow, I think I will have class tomorrow and then Monday. So, yung Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then routine yan. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano. So, kung hindi ako pupunta ng gym, meron akong treadmill dito. Nagta 30 minutes treadmill ako. And then, I'm trying my best to do a calorie deficit ba yun, mga kalabs? Yung less calories lang yung kinakain mo everyday. So, ayun yung gusto kong share sa inyo. One day, if ever na reach natin yung goal natin na mag-lose ng weight. So, ayun, kailangan kasi natin mag-lose ng weight eh. So, it's been a while na I tried my best. Lahat na ng diet ginawa ko pero hindi siya nag-work. So, ang nag-work sa akin is yung calorie deficit talaga. So, it's better daw yun. Tapos workout. Si Wang Wang ay andyan na naman. So, anyway, I'll be ending my vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin, mga kalalabs. So, sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung ating pagbabalik. So, yun lang din naman yung life update natin. And yung gagawin ko lang naman din mamaya is magluluto. So, I'll be ending here. And I'll see you again tomorrow. If ever na magbablog ulit ako tomorrow, let's see kung ano mangyayari. So, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. I-ring nyo po yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa tuwing mag-upload tayo ng panibagong video. See you on our next vlog. God bless us all. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye-bye!